Oh yeah, she better to mass, but she know gagbo and then quote it. I mean, your records look like it's not recording or what? Yeah, that do. Any yin chinese one to write panke what is going on across South Sudan, Canadian, Chayan, Alane, or the Chayan. Malagua believe until the end. I generally call a lot conquer the video, qual go video more. It's good for us to celebrate when everything is done. It's not even like you see how it's turned out. It's turned sad the way they are running their thing in Juba. You have to wait. You cannot praise because you are not in control of the situation. It's only the king and his people. They support. I can take a control of the situation. But the reality, to be honest, from day one, those people, even if they, whatever they want to come up with, these people, they really wrong thing. Yeah, okay. Moses, good to see you, my brother. Good to see you, young brother, or my son as well. Yeah. Again, I'm going to change it until I cut the last video, and then we should not celebrate. Because it's good to celebrate at end when everything is done. Come here to a day you are turn sour. The way she took a tenner now. There is no reason for them to go now. Kumake murder, mass murder. Mass murder for what reason? They are not a part of this. Even they're lying. No, this is lie. They should prepare. And Kid has to let them go too. They're now in free. Regardless, even Mitchell would you ring my charco come there? It's fine. Would you put Kango come there? It's fine. Would you all of them, even anybody hold the position, cut out so that it's okay, let them go. But don't even try to make sure that it be not because you can take a mass murder, Michigan land. This one is not even the truth. Be honest. And you kid, even yesterday when I see this, when I read this one, I say, look at these people, the Rwandese president and his wife. They just walking perfectly, and then here in my head, he didn't see the good thing for his people to celebrate. Instead, for him every day people have to cry. For him to destroy the country, he's happy for that. That one is someone with no brain, no telling in medicine, because you have to do the right thing, and you have to leave a good legacy behind you. I don't know what you're looking for. Actually, God knows the corner one chemically. Mutual Karamajur is not enough fruit for them. They don't want to because a lot of people die because of this one. And you know what they pretend that is because of the Majur. It's not about the Majur, it's for power. Because the other tribe, they cannot even say anything. It's only where people say something. And then they have to go after them the way they have to shut them up. And then to do this horrible thing. Imagine, what did Fort Kang do? Nothing. I wish I let a to go in the container door. But it didn't go in Banana let from now. You try with the code and then and you got my child. I'm not challenging him. It's because when someone try to kill you, first is to survive, second to survive, the third one is only gonna know. I check my can go. You can't quantum the Albertan can go. Can go walk up. A political sign to be one as here. They didn't even in care. A military rule. Take a demo. Then my child. Go and a different thing. It's not even the. And why the country cannot go this way? But me take away me go and neighbor because they did something wrong. This lie about mass murder and it came many more. What is this? And we want to know. And we telling you from day one, these people, they are innocent. And you cannot listen to them. You cannot listen to us, not them, actually. Mali. And this is a reason you have to wait until the end. Miss you caught your talk and then talk on Kara, di what di champagne, di pop, di mula, then you see, you celebrate. Now we are in the mood of just how we can find the way coordinate each can shaka bukumgalia. Because imagine they now kumgalia for something they didn't do. Because they bring my child, he didn't do it. He just gave you kid a green life to put in Nuer people. Because there are me generation nye. For my child 2014 now, that I'm telling you that we come. Made an building little college child apartment child which is in Nairobi, big gun, what a rubber can go look. And you miss a joke, and check out, check up. A you win one, about money to you. They can knock. What's the sake of my people? You're not fighting for your own benefit. You're fighting for your own people. Now, January has got situation. Wanga God, Wanga, we won. When you know the leader, she good be in the did you then Matindi one and ever can change? But what I'm asking here, Kakin Mayadit government, please do not harm them. They are innocent in this. If you want to just rule that country, just fire all of them from Ringmacha to those young people. Even Potcom will come out, then Borogo Guam within by family the Baoram. She are getting it in a chagabu greedy. Because it's a greedy or bold male and King Mayadi, you can see this call manya makwila dancing. Niko chikaronya all right. I need you like wait to do until the end, but we'll celebrate. I just sit and watch and see what I quiet celebrate. I cannot do that. No, I'm not a part of it because it's calculated. Check me now, Benita 100. I don't know now. Can't work with you. I'm okay because I don't like the bullying. Tarwatin, but I just want to kind of new phone, which I let you for a man went to can let you in. Chataka new phone, Chincha Guru, Bernial, coaching at a nature Benesha were depend lawyer. It's a right more than they cottage while persecute. And then you can see them, they went on. They don't want to do anything. They went on, they don't want to do anything. Right now, the day before yesterday, they made that. They are really doing anything. Now, in the clubhouse, now, I think they are really dancing, doing this. You should wait, my people. And let us wait. Tiene the other right. What can't tell Michelin? You Jakake, Kurundi. Did they pray? Because they can't do it. Because these people, they are criminal. They even call people, they call them okay. They accused his mass murder, terrorism. Do they know the meaning of terrorists? I wondered because those people can lead it. See, I can't walk. I think it happened because they like this name terrorists when they are really the terrorists. They are the one who terrorize the country. The government of Kir, or all those useless leaders, all of them, they are really the people who terrorize the country. These dumb people who just listening to these people from Clubhouse. They don't have good phone. These people from Clubhouse, they are the one who decide too. And I have to believe in them right now too. Because last time they say, oh, those law, they make in this Juba, we are the one we are the lawmaker. Last time, They say, you know what? He has all the power. They have all the power. They can't even make sure to. They have to be in jail and then tell look, tell him about Lene. Then you got to let Jacob overturn it. Chico peer down. See now where we are. Where we are. Who cry no con, na wo Nuer and so Nuer Baba already. I'm they ching they destroy. She look at me, the leader in chief of God, my child, war. I can't tell it in now. Tell a dormu woman and door, the Alga South Sudan, because what they don't like is the Nuer people, they say something. Go took Nuer and the Albaga make sure go on and big work. No, you guys cannot do that. And we cannot let you do this too. You pay ring my child, you will see another. You know what? We don't like to be humiliated. Regardless, we will never be in your pit. Just know this. It's something that you should know. We are not like the other tribe that they just have to go with flow. No. It's only ring my child give you this chance to go about Nuer community, but destroy. If it's not because of bring my child, we should not be in this right now. Those young people, even those people, generator operator of generator or whatever, what is going to do for the politics? Innocent person. Just doing maintenance in that home has nothing to do with the politics. Someone is what? Innocent for no reason. It's not because of weakness of the leadership. Don't take a leader. When we are the one who do the wrong thing, when is the real my child we should blame for even from day one. Shouldn't be go on and can all the mistake they can carry my child, but he's innocent in this. Nika 2013, young my child is innocent. 2016, he's still innocent. 2025, he's an innocent as well, but he's a weak man. Weak man bring this Nuer community down. If you are ready, go up and quit. I'm ready to do so too. But, and one and every, you know what we have to pray for you, like you kill my yard, just fire all of them. They don't deserve to die for no reason, for crime they didn't commit. They didn't commit any crime. You just blame them because you're trying to kill this man since 2013. He doesn't know. There is something that you sit down. Why this person want me to be like Howard of the picture? You can't see. You see, pancake may go to cook a doing your can, but I know chicken been going in a conclusion regardless. The cage won't tell a catch won't back a coom. Then worry a chum, tell you a chum, tell move a chum, back a frame, because this is the frame. They just frame them. To be honest here, they frame them. I wish even this kid Dara can make sense to this thing. Because it's your own dad. You want him to go down with a bad legacy. Bringing this guy who cannot be a reason like all I wish Niman go to her in a year and fire them. That is the only thing that you can do. Just fire them. Instead of killing them for no reason. I'm not even chin my you see the book about my mungat and go what they let it long but my mungat the children Teddy Nanya good to see you. Nyayo, good to see you, my daughter. And my Teddy they should win more okay you. No cheer my they just being like when they just glue on 1991. When it's not about 1991. It's about their own insecure and their own greedy, selfish leadership. These people, they just want to be in that. Okay, this is sad, and I made you celebrate it. Now check Ben Penny. That is the reason you have to wait until the end of everything, and then when you come out and then you celebrate and then you are okay. See now. Those who peeled dawn last week, now they're celebrating. Because these people, they, like imagine, mass murder. Even young my child in board, even though young my child in board in Nasser. How many Nuer son and daughter died there too? In that Nasser? Is only Denka? Is only Denka? No. I even know my own, just my sister, she died there. You guys know that. How many people, like one of my cousin and her children, 5 of them, they died in there too. My niece, husband too. Because we didn't come up with this thing. Because we didn't tell you on social media. We lose a lot of people. Just leave alone the youth from our community or our cousin. Don't see me, you leave them. Even in Wiyaradu. How many family members died there? My sister, she gone there to defend this useless government. That destroyed that Nasser as well too. Okay? My cousin Kanagar can hear Dangdi, they dietilu. Wiyaradu. Palaka Ladan lady to Wiyaradu. Chanya Adabu, Chanya Marbo too. Did because South Sudan. It's a so dear South Sudan. Chana Wiyaradu. We didn't come up with this one. Do you think we cannot feel pain? You just come up with nonsense that you cannot even feel sorry for. Majur, she was shot. You keep him there for 3 days or more when he's bleeding. You can come, even an helicopter can come at night time and take him. Did you? No. Are you really defending Majur? No. It's not about Majur. It's about you, Kir Mayadin and Borme. It's like all of you just glue about 1991. All the people killed in 19, and a lot of people from Nuer community die as well, actually. It's not about Majur. You see them, they carrying Majur over there, like this pig. It's pig. I can't see it, it's pig. All they need is to make sure that the Nuer people cannot say anything. You guys are lying. You are very liar people too. Because we cannot let you get away with this nonsense. You kill them, you will see all the Nuer people coming up. Even if you try to kill young and the people that you try to frame them, they mass murder, terrorism. These are the things that calling Young and his team, they are terrorists. And you forget that you are the one who terrorized the country. Kirmayadi and poor man. You are the one who terrorized everyone. The kid cannot sleep at night time. They're sleeping in the rain. Mosquito in the water. And we terrorize people. No, it's you, Kirmayadi and Borme. Look at them. They still Nangagan we shot with you Juba walking ye, Kanori. You're gonna got innocent kid walking on the street. They just take them to go to fight with these people. Look at these people, Chima. I'm a quick one. Need one second. You cannot even pretend about this much. This is a pig. Pig crying about Majur because you don't love the guy. You guys didn't love Majur. If you care about him the day that he got shot, you should leave him up. Even nighttime, our copter can come at night and take him. Did you do it? No. Don't glue about Majur that, because of Majur, young Majur terrorists. These people, because you can watch, you can go terrorism. I think terrorism, terrorism, mass murder, terrorism, nonsense. Amanu Ganyari, good to see you, my sister. Good to see you. It's not that easy to be one of talk on the run con decision. But I don't know, try to cry about Nato can call it here. Let them be. Then let them be. Because I'm not a part of you. Hey, stay away from this. I have no problem with you. I'm dealing with Kurumber. You got him a let. This is what they're doing. When they finish for what they are doing over there with Ring Machar, I think they come up with another thing. What did you guys do to South Sudanese that we know that you will be like, we will be okay in your hand, Kir Mayari? Nothing. Even a Denka land, what did you guys give them? And we are the poorest country in Africa. Because of who? Because of you guys. Because of the love of the money you guys have in your heart. You don't care about that country. Well, chicken back Fridays is this the same thing. They come up with these two things that because the only two things, but they mentioned mass murder and terrorism and the other thing. I don't know. They didn't mention because I read whatever they put on there, right? How you like the word terrorist? I just want to define the word terrorist. I didn't get it, to be honest. How you call terrorists when you are the one who terrorize the people? You change the name that we should call you as a Kir Mayadi is the one who terrorize the entire country. Using these people, you the issue. When they finish because dump like a nonsense. Okay. I will come live maybe later on or when or tomorrow. But let us wait for what they have to do on Friday. This is killing them. Releasing these people is killing these evil people. But put it in your mind, guy. You killing them, you didn't kill the entire Nuer community. And we will work hard to make sure that you guys paying. I'm not saying that it ain't got no, because I'm not a part of this language. But some of you will pay it in the future. You guys crying about one person. It's not about majority because you living. Majority of us lose a lot of people, even from that government side in Wayaradu. And we cannot celebrate that those Nuer in jail can be killed because of that? No. It's because we don't have a good government. We don't have even a good leader. They just know how to drunk and how to steal money. That is the only thing that you guys know. My final say is fire all of them. Don't even harm them because they are innocent. But someone who come to you 3 times, they came for you to kill them. That is the only thing. For you, Kir Mayadi, that is the only reason that they go back. If I survive 2013, and something put me again to go to Juba in 2016, and I work for 40 nights and 40 days, airplane is on my head, killing people that who came with me. Do you think I will come back? Even my own father, Luke, which is Juba. Again, you imagine I got kill my 1 year look. Because me survive, Karan Kareo. Look at these innocent people. Thank you, Chickadini. Thank you, Chicka Nadini. Thank you, Chicka politician. Kaka, they paying Ngadi, Midi. It a Kanga, the Michigan when they are innocent in this. Useless people. Kir Mayadi, I wish someone who knows leadership can be a leader in that country. And I wish this young man. Because I like the people who have women, not the people who just know how to steal money. Not the people who can be dry like a car that I am inside. Because Kir Mayadi family, they dry them, even both dry them like a car too. You see, Adut came last time and we all happy and we thought things can change. But how things going on now? In other they still bombing people. There is no change, Adut. And I thought you're going to do good thing, my sister. And you just come up for nothing because when you go into all those uppers, all those old people, those criminals, uppers, and we know that you will bring nothing in South Sudan. Like now you bring nothing. Because they still bombing innocent people. Even in your own family. Do you have a family? Even both men have a family dying where you are? No. We lose people like myself. I lose people both sides. And I didn't wish South Sudan to be destroyed. See your evil art? You people. I don't live Friday, chicken a couple of Fridays, but even Tiankani go book because I just want to see if there is any news because you can cut chicken go about it, the albago which can live video. What about Nagianaga, but you don't kill all the Nuer people. The 20,000 take you look at 2013. What a Nueri? See, I got one letter in Urba, what a ticket. Tell me 2 young garden can him. 2 young made a corner like you on an enemy, you do near a Jan 2 young kid. A young wood out and the corner of Widian and turning it the end zeros. You didn't know about quality. They know they just have the brand that has to Europe is told like a sheep. That is only one thing that you have in the year. Nothing. The country is belong to all of us. Even if you guys come and change it in a good way. And then we, things happen, we can let them go. But what did these people from Iowa do? They did nothing. Even in their police, the Iowa soldier, they didn't even fight with anybody. You guys go and just attack them and then they defend themselves. They never come and attack you. Never did that. And we terrorists now. It's not you, even not a young Machar and his team. It's you, Kir Mayadit. Because those IO police, none of them come and attack the government of South Sudan. The government of South Sudan, they are the one who go and attack the IO people. From their position where they are. The only people we can call tourists is only the Kir government. Because they are the people who terrorize everybody. They are the people who terrorize everybody. Because if Iowa people went and attacked the government, and then you can't even say that, you can't even accuse Young Machar they are terrorists, because they can't terrorism. That is the word that they use over there. Yes, but your own soldier, they're the one who go to Young Machar soldier position and attack them. Can you just make sense too? We are watching you guys. Let me leave, huh? Again, I'm going to go to Martin Coaching. I see the Alchaka again near March. My sister Robega, a lanyard in the book, Ben, Chikarshare Palak, Hannah, to write a joint pan. It's because the dear Lord. Go what you go, till like a Kume key, can go to corner, till corner like a key, government. They don't have any power. I've been a loon job, they like a power. They are there, they're just a follower. It's a kid and his team. You see, Sheng and Pancake. You see, even Maquil rather than the call my young, she got a yen, you go on a don't gun. Don't yen what? Check my tune, I Cheng it done. Tell a Mrs. You tell my brother, then you go on and nay, the content or to know a problem, because out to down like a boat. No. She got maybe the board leader is here, but what my young can because of their money, they want to keep their position. Did you see them? They got fired. I think, yeah, call my young, but his daughter is already replaced him too. He has the money. Because they are his daughter. He's still getting money anyway. Makwelwa from day one, he's still working in that. Because of what? Because he's giving the wrong advice. We cannot leave the Bargazal, they are not a part of it. It's not all the Bargazal. We see the October 11. Chualedi no doon garame. Chualedi la chualka October 11. October 7. Abraham ke chualedi. Je chudo la parwe. Ana bajen. I got Bargazal. Chuanang nere we didn't know. I don't know that she and her kid or in. Then go and get it. Nuku wo kume kid Sherlock. Tell her I'm about tell a leader can deal including leader to the board. Michi Berar Gome like we man John. Yeah. Riek Machar is the one who put us in this. Riek Machar and Durgun. I just Chang Batsapa tomorrow. And you know, I just wish him to get fired, not to be Iko Nakajamu. Because I told him Majur, but chicken ain't one chicken guard can get displaced. And you think you're a good leader? No. And I wish you see how I feel today when I see the president of Chualepo Magabe came for Magabe can check the walking just beautifully. And then why Ken Mayadi don't do that? And we can celebrate it too. Because it's our leader is walking there. But our leader know how to kill people. He doesn't know how to just entertain people. To see him is a good leader. Is that a Kikam and go no, I know don't way of leadership and see and get one, but he become the nothing here as well too. Because he can't even control all those people who destroy his dad legacy. No, her dad legacy. Now, bull me last time we gonna don't babang which I only increase. But one thing that you don't know, even me, myself, I will never be just putting myself in fear to be under another person. No, it's also that does not belong to you alone. And I will never be a slave that I vote for that country. I can't pray for that country to be destroyed. If that is what you're wishing for. If you want to destroy us, we can pray even if it happens 20 years from now, you will be good for nothing there. Can Nuer they humiliate? Do you think we are like all the door cocaine? You go a mugu in a nakani, been you shut up? No. It will not happen. And we know that we lose a lot of generation. New generation, many young generation may got 15, need to work 20 nigga took it. But she didn't make Charan. She didn't make like Charan, no. Muku pa yere ka kin ma yadi mission bika ngadi un bika banaka social media tomorrow by Sundays. We fire entire IU. This is what we want to. Fire them. Let them be. Like my child go back to Chale di Wijanan. You ngadi if you did. Then you rob go bet it out in. Bo dong tin. Put kang a young man bro the jaglat. Got it to cook in the Biraman or what jaglat, but you are a nunga. You are to get something that they didn't do. They are innocent. Chẳng là giờ cái nó cái này là cái giờ chứ là guru ba mà trọt ba là cô chơi mình chào guru cô đi đến nào cũng cái chơi nên chơi quen mà ăn guru hoàn cô ta live mình ta cái and then chơi mi gar cái long mình chơi nguồn chơi bên nhà chơi Ija kapcha ngadi chanyo ka kapjok to on Friday, and then allow accuse ke mass murder, chaka accuse ke terrorism, can I other thing, but other things they didn't mention it. Kajan poison and chicken, again mass murder, chale mass murder, canary chicken go kunanak, even any chanak chicken if you compare them with Nady we are including the day need to con they come me liu ko bodor kana gan wer de ko kende ko chicken de taka balio de jena bango ke pek par e par jen majur me ken jena waras kew kan india le daga wi yara diu ni ran mulunyi kan india. Do you think he can make it in Juba? No, he cannot make it. Because bon mulunyi me tell me kwaje tweet ke je te yen ga de yen ben ma wada na to they even pick up. Did you do that? No. Did you even take care of his family now? No. Nonsense. Which you get doing 1991. But I let you and you are about Cora, la the ring my char, go on take ring my char. She can go and a leader of this thing. Tell I worry what Jarajan no go over no lot. Cover continue, and this is a reality. Chirpishan. Oba no bundle. Mundorin, what other Edung Macha. Because Rana, Jacqueline Chodu. You have to have a say. Jacqueline Chodu, what is you, Quen? Didn't you know all I want everything? It has to go. Okay, that person way. Cause that person, if it's not my way, it should be highway. Because this man has to value your opinion too. And so what you can be opinion be value. Michelle value is good, like it's not even a marriage. Cut any ring my child about I feel like chicken my yard did go. 2013, I can't yak the idea. Ring my child, get 2013, cool little you can want it. When it's feel insecure because a country can quit union. This is the only thing that you can like South Sudan from 2005 to 2011. Can quit union. Major with you go and can get South Sudan go about will lead in a good direction, including my young my child. Young my child and Jack on your room. What a way, Lenny Janka. Simple. You just eat this guy for no reason. Well, any young Karun. Kugan would go get to Kerga cum the chin of Ben. Kayan Gadini, you just there, come yak. Moongate. That is the only thing that I know. Moongate, kind of mood mayor. Moodja or moongate. Never. Yak kind of menu come into a mushroom. And come yak no, it didn't happen. This is a position that got to continue. You know the moment one ram killing her because they want nothing. The position is just the Jalanga didn't Cheramachuality start not a Cheraka, not a Michal, Tachu look at Cheraka and one I done it. Oh, no, they're going to do it one. Go be and win and Medan. Long can junk Copo Hawking. We just don't do things. In a way, and they could conduct on the police. Okay. But let's hope by Dios not by calling a Kanjukume. Konechi, you guys, you can fire them, but you try to go Kumgalia because they didn't do anything that they deserve. Ko and they bago Kumgalia. They didn't do it. Young my child, Mitchell Yinki, my yard, you they do it. And you were the one who insecure in 2013. To start this nonsense. 2016, she had been Kajinok. She went to get for the day like Nin Jesus. For the day and for the night. She got to God wouldn't want it. I miss a can't long a cup, but a bot below Lou radio. Take a ye taker. They don't know what take. But because nobody can care that person. Corina, that we didn't, Nisha. Chukalan Kokuba. You can't come at your day. Jeremy Corwa, no, Capar Congan, my child, I got my child take a jubber, Kakaba, you get 2018 and we'll go. But you, no, I will never think of you, Jan. Could you saw Sudanese Gondia? Bernard Luke and its uncle, Kenyan Mayben, nigger catab, the other pink, Kabunga. Kabi Pamgayan Bunga. Tell like a tip and me young one the color. Can you tip the dog but a land with a corocan? Look at it. You cannot claim something is not belong to you alone. Really? Hey, no. These people can yen pike and word. Come and work about do the Alcabanur took a Nuer, Banur took a Yurico kin. You're not at all, you could have done. You're a color, yes, corner, what take a Michigan then. When I'm can one like that, no, the guardian, don't you get Jan one. Don't try to get 400, don't but nearly 400, don't Michigan one, don't I just one radiant. When did we fight with these people? And country me thank it in Mauritius a wife out country. You gotta can come and take it tomorrow free from your hand, people. Because Lord Korea to you. Lord Korea to you. You got nothing. You just know how to steal. You guys don't get mad at me because what you guys are doing with your leader is not good. You guys be a technical, but technically, you're out. There you banana, can you get on nang and one be an who be up and wake up by your cool loco, can tell you cool, and got up by teaching a dog, Guami Gadecha, kept here, do but your own cabul. Don't me tell them. 15 get to an hour, I to and don't know about me. It's still no can tell your cool. Muyan go why about the country. That country, you guys will be slave from somewhere. You know how to make your child to be slave. Coney make a banana, you know, a chicken is slave. They don't take this nonsense. No, you got a white dog is slave during us. No. This one is not in our DNA, coach. I'm not about to humiliate. Get it, I'm not going to know. They don't get South Sudanese are okay. They are okay. They can be. But we don't, because we don't have this useless DNA. You don't work on this because we are going to be loyal to the Nuer wife out because South Sudan because Banana daytime Yamdu. And come. Panama Nagyag Nuer ko begin entire South Sudan. Entire including Nurson. No daughter, they fighting with them. They fighting with 64 tribes. They fighting with Uganda. They fighting with what? They fighting with everybody. Can you know a tribe can? You guys. You don't make this mistake. To make sure that you go, you know, be a wife out, got out to that. You cannot live in that country without a Nur 20 years. No, why you check a catch? A tour a would be a rapper, why you were Liam Noon. The other Liam Quack be younger than them. Go tell we to take a yet, man. And what you could you a okay, Liam King, a couple of Liam Gomachuali, you gonna. They go work on part of you, they can get nothing. Be what it. I don't know cocaine. But that, don't make a roll him jalam. Coach, yeah, they can't do it. And but I didn't go because Coach Aji. The young, the young, Abia Chago, could me don't borrow you or Conja Abia. But I'm good. I'm asking you, go on worry them if they give up. I just gotta go there, give up because I don't go there or old bunny, but I can't pardon it, Leland and Badu. Then a queen of time ready to go at the note, but we can't find a way. To find some play, but moving young, you can really get out of that. I'm just telling you the truth because we're fighting with 64 tribes. We're fighting with them, no, Diaboli, you get no, Diaboli to done, the Ugandese, and we're still there. You can continue your cool one. Because tell me, just one of you come here. Then we make a 1980 something. We can down job without even any tribe. I even think what could Katiba Tia Benokoro? We Katiba you guy is only Dinka there. We Katiba you guy like let's say Equatoria or Contoino okay. You can see. Nay take a gun, man, try to be your good, try to chan good go no go Yanishan. A chawal mong kachi jana ladan these people they didn't do anything. You cannot see they accuse you mass murder, you can work a tourist. I don't know how you getting it. They don't know with the shit again the ball made and with a temp guam. We don't mean but don't either a rape him. What is wrong with this guy? Majetu go shar. Katego with me a down there. Neither on there, let but he's South Sudan. Even with the Lawala, they're going to surely a tourist. You calling me tourist, a bird, don't kill the bird too. I don't think those you bird. Come in your bird, quite a little more thought of that. Let you know, quit you. That is the only one thing, because can walk core. Tell a core you tell. Let you know, quit you, coach, you call you, you did a millionaire, because South Sudan get you thought of that. We all vote for that country. And you cannot treat me less in that country. Yanji I will paratade Palanokotiko Nedika Quapire. What I'm asking this government is just firing them. Kuka fire cannot kill go anything good. Fire young my child but one new daughter. Fire Porgang, a young man but all good job. Fire a Rublam but all good rubber. Another fire. Swear now Kumka Mikan Canada. That one is not good. Swear a guru will be a not there was for something that they didn't do. These people, they are innocent. You can fire them, I don't have a problem. Because that is the insecurity. Which you go to be at the Kokuma, you're letting my child fire him. How would you? Chenda may not know about the year. You can go over to quarter much better than a room. No, fire him. Runa Marota Ramco and take an idea. He wanted to quit over implemented it. You got a good leader, which will happen tomorrow. Be good idea, don't take it much at Bagalo coming. Why we have to just do this? Didn't would you look in my yard? Yeah, I do my tongue, it's just support. I thought she's gonna come up with a good thing. But now people are still bombing. Children, our people bomb now, Kanata, every day. And then what you gonna get there? And you think your country will go anywhere? Kid Mayadi will die with bad legacy. Because his own seed, his own daughter cannot even change anything. Look at this family. Well, ne dia la na ra ga no kwa de tin la o manuru la na no ne ti de lo ne ke de pa yere ke ne said tell me you cannot you cannot even accuse someone when he's not the one who did it. Why ha me chia kwa nang ne dang de even in war in Nasser, the majority of them they die as well too, like those soldiers in Nasser. Ungur kin mayadi them. Me a leader mugwane they find a way for to move forward. What I didn't put in all other. Because now to con between the rock change and con ngaji wo che energy and then more the con ke chung me did along. But now I want to look. God con teach con go mai long a take way guara. We cannot have them. Canadian like keki. Come yaka. She yak them yak them to come do ya nicka coach and youth. We just made it up. It never come yak in my room. This is the position I see, and that is why I never get mad at them too. Those people who work for kids. Because they have nothing. They have no say. They don't have anything to say. And we are talking about aren't you benanga ko kon chi go ko ku di belun ko kon a kon sanitary na me ko ranya ke ki ko ne TGIO aka ko fire when I will already what the can karo me je ko me chen wa ku me ke wa je yon match ku me ke la je ne jen bo ka kai u how did you define this word binaki wouldn't mutually young my child okay equal tourism when you kill my yard your government your soldier are the one who attack you everywhere who is terrorist now you should be the one who can be accused for terrorism because you terrorize your own people. Tell when you getting one, but go no, because a little go, but a load you didn't go, because I understand a go, Chirande cum, it a go, Chirande accuse the it terrorism. How will you name your Bangla dog? Tell I was mentioned. Me, I name Luna. Okay. Yeah, Janan Jababa. I can't know quite a dunya bang, but Joe quite a dung root, Janan Jaguama. And Kuma no more quite supporting and sister Yabambo. Kuma is it's just a zero government. Tell a good reason. Imagine a panala attack a lack and pick a rubber lerke in a DK terrorist. Pelker. Well, I got your banura. I like him with your mood. Put your co banana attack. But you didn't even know. Look at no other guy who you charcoal you on my big rogan. When did it come this thing nonsense? You go attending euro, it be banana. Which even your mud. Yeah, you come up, look of the might work in a depot. But might work because you know what? It's a matter of life and death, right? But depend. Me the might work. Tell you what they want my band, me the might work that Benini. Yabang, would you go again? Didn't say a palco? I don't need this nonsense. Chang and I chick a young major wage. Hey, go imagine what you but I. And my child, whereby depend. A loyalty chop 107. Can you get loyalty who chop 107? When we query, Konyan thought to run lead Crampton. King Mayad is the one who in control of everything. You can't bench. Chwana o bullying. Kakana sina naga to ko banga bullying. Ko me yinawa. Chidolo chwalo kwa where are your 107 depend lawyer? You see? But let us pray for peace ko na me ba ko nanga min jia ka to dan. Ka chen hor bi jo che ka ro depend. But chwana ban. When I see gan Nuer mi you cannot be weak. You giving your own enemy a reason to celebrate. Nyamana na shi nyama chwali nyale nyale mi chenan woru mi je ben kala video la didini chwala ben kamer Nuer why you cannot just be weak mitini mungi je na defy you ba jinga je wo cha itiam. Why you let yourself to be ko ba you ko cha itiam. Hey, you may chang this mer weak people. You cannot be weak. Matika social media, don't cry. Mukuji obdorun we depend. Go depend la wo mijin yamubum be strong. Mijin would be strong. Like on we going through it, but Chigwanta Aruji I knew the word and HTM. I won't be no you might tell me Chako Kum and Kakani Banalano Kakani. That is the only thing that we can do because that is the only thing that we have. You might tell me how they gonna fight? Yeah, no, but no, Maria, the condila, Bob Brano, Ben Gamer, bien in there. And then when you gorga you one, gorga young one, gorga you tired one, go you one, bien and part what? We don't know that to conquer. We call it a conquer. Just use your most. Landing with you, dish of Nuer, landing the government, the Kuraka, and I'm you cannot come on social media, use the weakness to use you now. Why you have to choose your weakness, can I? Why? When I see those things, Nagala. Come change go pike or run is allow a chummy boom. Here go to go and I will on it. You got a go and go and you'll need to go we're gonna go through it. We don't know that we're going through it. We know. Me and that's with Goma. Can I don't know Goma? Kajan quick and lot on. We just have to take it easy. But we have to show them too. We are not really going down to go beyond the Binay and ATM. One I don't get 20 years from now. You guys will learn this lesson in a hard way. Money and Temako, they young soldier must. We are up quite a young my child fire. Clean my yard. This is my advice. Fire young my child. Fire everybody. They gonna go because they don't deserve to die for no reason. Fire them. Let them be in wherever they want to be. I go win you go kin. Me and Potgang Mugura no Bora. Guru Oboro Gor Murdin Mabalaka South Ballot. Chicken Koran Guano Branda reason. You cannot kill someone or you cannot accuse someone for something that they didn't do. That is the only thing I can give this government, kill my yarded government. Just fire them. Move on with your government. Cause you go to good borrow already. She markal, she mukenga, she muke. She government already on my child, you would. Everybody, what do you want? You already remove him. Indirect before, just remove him in public and then we know. And then you will feel guilty for him not to bring even one bullet. Because if he did, I don't think to this language we should talk about it in the public. 2014 should be clean. Mugur leadership per year. I don't think to any unit like that. I have to be a leader for 20 years. If I didn't do it in a 10-year time? Let's say per year is just to set the country. Okay, no, 4 years to set the thing in the right direction. 4 years to build this country. If I didn't do this, actually. In a 4 year and 8 year time. A generation of failure. I can't let it go. And then, but I'm not in the bend, but with the right go, which my child, I'm going to take a God thought to that from even a small tribe. They can lead the country in the right direction. And it's a gentleman, and it and you and a quite apart, Tanapal, who Aben good all, who I can't go kid man good. You just don't want IO. You don't want ring my child. That is the only thing. You shouldn't be accusing them. Just fire them. Move on with your government. We will see. That is the only thing that I can say. Bongo Boko support can use. I'm a supporter, and I will never change. There is nothing that can change me. Okay? Because me you can let can guard a laga Nuer. Buku dorun ku will depend your people. That is the only thing that I know. I will chicken go believe. Chegaramichi chupan got children me children and got it to me. Tell a magic telega chema banago coco. They don't have anything. What did one did give them? It's another challenging too for them too. Do you think they like to be attacked for no reason? You guys, you going back and forth here. Okay. Thank you. Anybody at command. Have a good night. Days. A day as a kill. Then move Jojo, you don't know social media or tomorrow or next. I'm working. Maybe on Sunday. Or meet here. Jako chip in Chiang, maybe Saturday evening because night time on Fridays and then Bakula Saturday morning. Then better let butter. Dog share with Banco Baban Kalai. But Katiang Mugwaje Muguru buried Baban lad, which by my opinion, Baban air, then Berlin. But where you can't worry, we just have to let go. Ko Bano can't worry to con coach. Chikon Gabella one in a scapegoat, actually. Let me put it this way. Can go no like a government. Regdan a government key. A man Mugo, John, and Mugo. The grand government key. Kill my yard is the leadership of Kill my yard in a dialogue on a car under him. I can have problem done. God, what it is, they don't have power. If they have power, they can do something. But they don't have power. But when I see because energy done west toward them, we get nothing because they are really not even do anything. I just tell me they Michikiran Jack Yogan and made it by fire about what about Motaramdin? Everybody need food now. Then I'm going to look at my charge up 2018 to go back to the country. And when I got my child, go there, la nation below Jokata Sudan, Bawaka, Jaladi, Babenka Europe. Take a one with Ben Chington. But I don't tell about boy Chington. And it's not blame Nikin in a reason, China West Kake. In a reason, China went toward kill government. I go, you can't blame, Kukonga blame, but take a day can match. No, take a day can match. It's another problem. This is a weakness of God, my child, too. And maybe call a ladder. And I made God, my child, don't know because a ladder go, Shanke, and Machan Kabela leader tomorrow, he will know that where did he go wrong? Where? In which area? He just tried to make this country to be a good country. But kid doesn't want it. His kid doesn't want that. You want to run major with the 20 from 24, 2005 to 20 to 2012, no, to 20 to 2011, 20 island me say to 2012. There is a large thing change in country. We ya bodong da daga medal bring no which but chapul kuji which made an itwaji and then could Korean made an one and in ala kana ga chin could dream you ko do jin leader tomorrow. It's just a dictatorship in a man. Go even dream is a question mark why you dream. When is God give it to you the dream? Or you think about it at the daytime. I want to be a leader, I should even do this and that. And then you try to dream about it, day about an but Bram can you call one Babran or Cornwall? Keep Biran could go or take a top, go don't be a leg, but not get mad at it. And then any sergeant, and then I'm a good attack. You go it. I'm around. I'm free today. As long as you been kang, I will get you. A jin jang, a jin Nuer, a jin Jurandian. I know how to deal with people, but I can't situation me. Me pal kono ko diga ko ni kabara. Ko they are innocent. That is the only thing that even a gun my child. Even chin yin kan knock me way na the child kon men tweet ki bad today. Young my child. Where you would have been la nigga zero level. I think on worry. Can I reject? Nigga D. Nigga D. Nigga 19 D. Can I stop on dear back? And I stop on dear back. You guys are really normal. Because we're not going to meet you at humiliation. We paid you. And you think Nuer they are bad and when they paid you as well too. Nag yan hoko. Kap yan nyo day. Kap yan wuno ko ting chade ni day. Cham yan kwan ko. Do you have everything? Jagan gare Nuer. Nay na daw ko na jig di. I have to go, guy. Have a good evening.